Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best toddler bed rails and guards that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Summer Infant Double Safety Bedrail, Gray. For conversion of the kid's crib to a bed, this gray-colored bedrail is a perfect solution. The unique design of this product facilitates fast and easy installation with complete protection. This safety bedrail functions excellently on a queen-size platform bed, and it presents a layer of safety for your toddler. There would be no problems fitting this double safety bedrail against the mattress. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Regalo Swing Down Extra Long Bedrail. The white-colored Swing Down Extra Long Bedrail works to keep your baby safe on the bed. Its extra length offers additional security so parents can stay stress-free about baby's protection. The excellent portability allows you to shift this bedrail from one position to another. Last but not least, there is no requirement of tools for the setup process to complete. At number 3, we have the Regalo Swing Down Bedrail, 43-inch long. The unique specialty of this Regalo bedrail is it comes with the swing down functionality. This functionality allows this bedrail to turn down when kids want to get in and out of the bed. Its size is made extra long, i.e. 43 inches, to enhance the security. It comes with a comfortable fit for use with any twin to queen size bed. At number 2, we have the BABYSEATER water-resistant toddler bed rails and guards. Seamless transition from kid's crib to a big bed is guaranteed when you gift this toddler bed rail to your little ones. Its design is made comfortable and safe, so the majority of people insist to go for these BabySeater bed bumpers. Your child will get the ultimate safety peace of mind while sleeping on the bed. And finally, at number 1, we have the Regalo Hideaway Extra Long Bed Rail. The classic white-colored Hideaway bedrail is extra long with 54 inches length. When your kids start using this bedrail, there would be no burden on parents to make the bed or alter the sheets. It is quite simple to assemble this bedrail without requiring extra tools. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.